Okay, here's a couple wrist exercises that you can do right from your desk. You can be sitting or standing, doesn't matter. You can do these either sitting or standing. So the first is we're just gonna make the stop motion with our wrist straight out. And if we take a look at that, that's what it looks like. And we're just going to go ahead and take our left hand onto our right and pull back the fingers. And as you can see, I'm just trying to keep my arm straight when I do this. And I'm pulling back on my fingers, and I should feel a stretch right through here, maybe a little on the outside. Okay, so this is our first stretch. Hold that for 5 to 10 seconds. We'll move over to our left hand. We'll do the same thing. So again, our palm is facing out with our fingers facing up. We're just pulling back on our fingers. So you can see that here. Okay. Now all we're going to do from this standpoint is reverse that. So we're just going to put our palm facing up, again, maintaining a straight arm and pulling our hand down. Now, you may be thinking, well, what's the difference? There's a tiny little bit of difference here, and that is just that you're feeling the stretch a little deeper in the forearm. So a little closer to your elbow. So we'll just hold that for 5 to 10 seconds. Again, we'll flip our hands. So now we're doing our left hand. Hold that for 5 to 10 seconds. And we'll continue on with another motion. And again, you can do these a little bit longer. So as you progress and get better at the stretches, feel a little more flexibility, you might do them for 30 seconds or a minute. So our next one is we're going to face our palm in the down position, fingers extended away from you. We're going to let our hand fold down here. Again, keeping our arms straight. And we're just going to reach on the portion of the hand where our first knuckle meets our hand. If we grab our fingers, we're not going to feel too much of a stretch here. So we really have to work on grabbing around the knuckles and starting to pull our hand back towards us. And again, you may not have a whole lot of flexibility here to start, but it's okay. You will progress and you will get a greater range of motion as you do these. So hold that for 5 to 10 seconds. Again, we'll flip hands. So again, I'm grabbing around the knuckles, I'm pulling in. Maintaining a straight arm. And I'm just doing this for 5 to 10 seconds, a little longer if I can. So one more wrist exercise is it's kind of a pose where we're putting our hands together in front of our chest, and we're just going to force our elbows or force our palms down, and then we're just going to try and rotate our hands over. And as you can see, I may not get all the way perpendicular to the floor. That's okay. Again, hold this for 5 to 10 seconds, and you're going to feel that out here in this portion of your forearm. So again, just trying to rotate my hands over. And as I progress and I become a little more flexible, we will see this go more perpendicular. Okay, so that's a couple wrist exercises for you.